Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable silent mode on EMPORIA Smart 4. So right here you can see the icon with a bell that is being cut in half by a red line, and that means we're in the silent mode right now. Now to make it unsilent, let's click on the volume key like this, and then there should be this icon right here. Simply click on it so it looks like this, and now we just left the silent mode. In order to enable silent mode, click on this volume key again and click on this same icon until you see this bell again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.